and a drug bust that hits the UNM party crowd. Good evening. Two suspected drug dealers who federal agents say were targeting UNM students now face felony charges. News 13 has learned an anonymous text tip tipped off the agents about what they were doing. Kayla Ayers is in the Newsplex.
Dick, the text came into a relatively new DEA tip line, bringing to light a duo of suspects accused of selling dangerous drugs to college students.
Marijuana, suspected ecstasy pills, mushrooms, suspected ketamine, and hydrocodone, a haul that could sell for hundreds, even thousands of dollars. This is what agents found when they busted down a door at an apartment complex on Roma Avenue last week, and it's exactly what they were expecting. DEA agents were tipped off by an anonymous text messaging service months before the bust.
In this particular case, we didn't know about these people. You know, this tip line initiated this investigation. We followed up on it, and now here we have drugs off the street and people going to jail.
Agents say Mark Bingaman and Paul Featherston were selling drugs to a specific crowd, students at UNM.
When we first started coming across them, we found them, you know, near the campus right across the street at some of these places, just hanging out with the students. So undoubtedly, the target market was the UNM students, the college crowd, the party crowd over there.
According to court documents, Featherston, who went by the street name Purple, sold ketamine to an undercover agent in February near the university. The investigation went on for several more weeks before agents came knocking, which might not have happened had it not been for the tip line.
For the DEA, it was definitely a big success, you know, that shows that this tip line does work, that citizens just like you or me can actually text anonymously, provide information, and we are out there, we are listening, and we are following up on it.
Bingaman and Featherston are facing charges of distribution and possession with intent. Both have bonded out of jail. Back to you.
Okay, Kayla, the DEA tip line is simple. You just send a text to 843-411 using the keyword drugs and whatever information you can provide. There have been more than 200 text tips since that local line was set up last year.